If you need to transfer your domain out of GoDaddy, one of the first things you'll need is your EPP code, also called an authorization code. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to get your EPP code from GoDaddy step by step so you can move your domain to another registrar without confusion. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software guides like this. All right, let's get into it. First, go to GoDaddy and sign into your account. Make sure you log in with the account that actually owns the domain you want to transfer. Once you're inside your dashboard, look for the section called My Products and click it. This is where GoDaddy keeps all of your websites, domains, and other services in one place. Now, under Domains, find the domain name you want to transfer. If you have more than one domain, double-check that you select the correct one, because the authorization code is specific to that domain. After selecting it, click Domain Settings. This will open the settings page for that domain, where you can manage transfer options, contact settings, and other important domain controls. Next, scroll down until you find the Transfer section. This is the area you need if you want to move your domain away from GoDaddy. In that section, click Transfer Domain Away from GoDaddy. GoDaddy may show you some transfer information here, including a reminder that domains cannot be transferred within 60 days of registration or a recent transfer. If your domain is inside that lock period, you may not be able to proceed yet, but if your domain is eligible, you can continue to the next step. Once you're allowed to move forward, click Get Authorization Code. GoDaddy will then generate or send your EPP code, usually through email. This code is what the new registrar will ask for when you begin the transfer process. So after you click it, check your email inbox connected to your GoDaddy account and look for the message containing the EPP code or authorization code. If you don't see the email right away, check your spam or junk folder too, just in case it was filtered there. Also make sure you are checking the same email address listed on the domain registration, because that is usually where GoDaddy sends the code. And that's it. Once you have the EPP code, you can enter it at your new registrar to complete the transfer. This is a quick process once you know where to look, but it can be confusing the first time if you've never transferred a domain before. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy tutorials on domain management, website tools, and software walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.